This is an example of a Power BI dashboard that's populated from Project Insight data. Here I have this report showing a whole entire portfolio with all types of different views. I can click on this one to just pull in, I only want consulting projects to show, or I want marketing projects to show, or I want to only show projects that are done by Jeff. These interactive clickable things is just part of what Power BI does. And Power BI and Project Insight work really well together because Project Insight has a REST API endpoint built on Microsoft technology. So all of this is seamless real-time data right out of Project Insight. This type of view can be incorporated into your SharePoint. So we can help you build these as a service, or if you have your own staff that knows Power BI, you can basically build this stuff on your own. So this is just an example of the various different charts you could do, and there's really the sky's the limit on the things you can do with Power BI and Project Insight and SharePoint.